Hello everyone. Today we will do some activities to find the area of irregular shapes from the textbook. Okay. Textbook page number 41. Triangles. Okay. On this page you can see two friends, Samina and Saqib. Both are talking. What they are talking? They are talking about first this figure. What they are telling? Samina says both the big triangles in this rectangle have the same area. You can notice here one big rectangle is given and in that rectangle two triangles, one red triangle and one blue triangle is drawn. Okay, and what they are telling, that both the triangle have same area. Now what Saqib says, the blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. जो blue triangle है वो main rectangle है, उसका half part है. Okay, area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. How the 20 square centimeter? We already learned. Let's check again. Okay, to find the rectangle we can see length and breadth of this rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 centimeter. And 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 centimeter. 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20 square centimeter. So yes, area of this rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Now what is given here? That triangle, both the triangle have equal area. And here they are telling the blue triangle is half of the main rectangle. Blue triangle is half of the main rectangle. What is the area of the main rectangle? Yes, it is 20 square centimeter. And half of 20. Half of 20, it is 10 square centimeter. So, the area of blue triangle is 10 square centimeter. Okay. Now, see here, and another figure is given here. In that figure one big rectangle is given and in that rectangle one triangle also drawn. Okay, what she is telling? Oh, in it there are two halves of two different rectangles. You can notice here one red rectangle and one green rectangle. Two rectangles are here, two halves. Okay, now you find the area of the two rectangles Saqib is talking about. And what is the area of the red triangle? We have to explain. So first we can see area of the two rectangle. Okay, first we can find the area of green rectangle. To find the area we will see the sides here 1 and 2 square centimeter. So we will write here 2 square centimeter and 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is 4 centimeter and it is 2 centimeter. Okay. So what is the area of green one? 4 2s are 8. So area of green rectangle is 8 square centimeter. We can write here area of green 4 2s are 8 square centimeter. And what is the area of red? Let's see. 1, 2 and 3. It's 3 centimeter. And here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 centimeter. The 4 3s are 12. So area of red rectangle is 4 3s are 12 square centimeter. Okay. Now what they are asking? What Saqib is talking? That what is the area of the red triangle? Okay. We already learned how to find the area of irregular shape. Okay. Now see the triangle is given. First what we will see? We will see the first complete squares. Okay. So let's count here. 1, 2, 3. It is more than half. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And this half and this half. So total 10 square centimeter. So What is the area of the red triangle? The area of the red triangle is 10 square centimeter. Okay. Now see on next page. Yes, you are right. So you can draw many more triangles of area 10 square centimeter in this rectangle. Same type of rectangle you can draw, and you can draw in it a triangle with the 10 square centimeter. Okay. Now here complete the shapes. Okay. Suruchi drew sides of a shape. 2 sides she drew, 1 and 2 sides. She asked Asif to complete the shapes with 2 more sides. She drew 2 sides and she asked Asif, then you draw 2 more sides of this shape. Okay. Now कैसे बट ड्रॉ करें सो दैट इट्स एरिया इज 10 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. आसिफ ऐसे ड्रॉ करे, ऐसे कंप्लीट वो फिगर करे जिससे उसका एरिया 10 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर हो सकता है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ ही हैज़ डन. आसिफ कंप्लीटेड द शेप लाइक दिस. ही ड्रू द शेप लाइक दिस. Suruchi drew 2 sides and Asif completed. Asif drew 2 more sides like this. Let's check the area of this figure is 10 square centimeter or not. Okay, let's see. First we will count the green. 1, 2. Then half and half. 1, 3. And half and half. 1, 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 square centimeter area of green. And now yellow, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and half 6. So 6 and 4, 10 square centimeter. So yes, Asif is right. The area of this figure is 10 square centimeter. Now it's very easy. Okay, if you look at the green area, it's a 4 square centimeter. Okay, and the yellow is 6 square centimeter. Okay. See on next page, page number 43. I thought of doing it differently. आपके माइंड में अलग तरह के भी शेप आ सकते हैं कि 10 स्क्वायर तो किसी भी तरह से बन सकता है. इफ़ यू ड्रॉ लाइक दिस द एरिया इज स्टिल 10 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. आप आसिफ ऐसे भी ड्रॉ कर सकता है, उसका भी एरिया 10 स्क्वायर ही से है. लेट्स चेक इज इट 10 स्क्वायर और नॉट. ओके, सी फर्स्ट चेक द ग्रीन. 1, 2. Then 3 half and half 1 3 and this half and this half 4. 1 2 3 and 4 है. And let's check the blue. 1 2 3 4 half and half 5 and this half and this half 6. Yes, 6 and 4 10 square centimeter. So area of this one also 10 square centimeter. So can you think of some other ways of completing the shapes? Yes, you can make another shapes also with the area of 10 square centimeter. Okay, you can ask your friends also, you can ask your parents also, and yourself also. You can draw different shapes, different triangle with the same area 10 square centimeter. Now let's see the practice time. Page number 43 only. Okay, practice time number 1. This is one of the side of shape. Complete the shape so that its area is 4 square centimeter. अभी हमने 10 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर बनाया था. अब इसमें क्या पूछा है, ये शेप दिया है, एक ही लाइन दी है. What we have to do? We have to complete this shape. बट कैसे शेप कंप्लीट करना है, उसका एरिया 4 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर हो सके. सो लेट्स ट्राई how to make the 4 square centimeter. Okay, now here half we have. Okay, 4 बनाना है, then 1 2. Okay, we can make it like this. Okay, we'll make a triangle only. Now let's check what is the area of this shape. Okay, 1 2 half and half 1, so 3 and this half 4. So yes, our area of this figure is 4 square centimeter. So our answer is right. You can try other way also, no problem. Okay, now see the next one. 2 sides of a shape are drawn here. Complete the shape by drawing 2 more sides so that its area is less than 2 square centimeter. Okay, 2 sides already given. Okay, now what we have to do? Complete the shape by drawing 2 more sides. हमको ऐसे 2 sides बनानी है जिससे उसका एरिया लेस देन 2 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर हो सके. ओके, 2 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, we can make 2 square centimeter also, less than 2 square centimeter, but more than 2 square centimeter we will not make. Okay, let's try. Half already given, half and half. So area of this one is 1. Okay, we have to make less than 2 square centimeter. Okay, we will make first 2 square centimeter. Okay. Okay, so half, 1 and half 1. So 1 and 1, 2. Area of this is 2 square centimeter. But less than 2 they asked. Less than 2 करना है. 2 भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Less than 2. So what you can do? What you will do? We have to complete the shape by drawing 2 more sides. 2 sides तो बनानी ही है. 2 already given and we have to make 2 sides. So कैसे करोगे? This is right. Another way also is there. 2 sides बनाओ. इसे छोटा करो. Okay. So less than 2. 1 and this one is half. So it will be 1 and half only. It will not finish completed 2. Okay. This way also. But this is the correct way. You have to make 2 square centimeter. What will you do? You have to make the area of this shape is 2 square centimeter. Next page, page number 44. On this page number 3 number, here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. See the rectangle. Let's check the area of this rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 and 2. So 10 2s are 20. Yes, 10 2s are 20 square centimeter. Now A. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into 2 equal triangle. We have to make a straight line. ये rectangle है, उसके triangle बनाने हैं. We have to make 2 equal triangle. What is the area of each of the triangle? First we will draw a line and we will make 2 triangle first, and then we will find the area of that both triangle. So let's draw here. We will draw. Okay, one triangle, 2 triangles are here. Let's count its area. Okay, we'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is more than half. So 9 and half 10. So area of this one is 10. Okay, we can write A. Area of A triangle is 10 square centimeter. Now let's check here. We'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8, more than half. So 9 and half 10. So area of this also we can write B. Area of B triangle also 10 square centimeter. Area of A also 10 square centimeter. Now see what is the B. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into 2 equal rectangles. Okay, first we will draw the straight line to divide this rectangle into 2 equal rectangle. So एक rectangle में से 2 rectangle बनाने हैं. And then what is the area of each of the smaller rectangle? Okay, हमको क्या करना है then कि उसका area search करना है. First we will make 2 rectangles from one and then we will find the area. So let's draw. Okay, you can see here 10 centimeter length and 2 centimeter breadth. Okay, we can make its 2 equal parts. यहाँ बीच में से ही हम इसके इक्वल पार्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी. then we can make two rectangles. Okay, this is the one rectangle. Okay, and this is the second rectangle. What is the area of these two rectangle? Both are equal. One number and two number. Let's find the area of one number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. इसका एरिया क्या हुआ? 10 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. ओके, एंड इसका एरिया 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. ओके, both the rectangle have same area and it is 10 square centimeter. We can make other way also. Okay, दूसरा भी way है. Let's do that. First 1 2 3 4 and 5. After 5 I draw one line here. Okay, now let's check 1 2 3 4 5 length here. 1 2 3 4 and 5 centimeter. Yes, its length is 5 centimeter. It's also 5 centimeter. What is the breadth of this one? 1 and 2 and iski 2. Yes, 5 2s are 10 square centimeter. Area of this one, what is the area of this one? 5 2s are 10, so 10 square centimeter. Okay, so this way also we can make two equal parts of main two rectangle. एक rectangle में से हमने दो rectangle बनाए और दोनों को area same है. Okay, we drew line here also and we make the rectangle of 10 square centimeter. This is also 10 square centimeter. What is the C? Draw two straight line in this rectangle. First we have to draw two straight line and to divide it into one rectangle. Two straight line draw करके उसका one rectangle बनाना है and two equal triangle. Okay, एक rectangle and दो triangle बनाना है. Now let's do how to draw triangle and rectangle in the same figure. With the two straight line, using two straight line 1 and 2, I made one rectangle and two triangle. Okay, rectangle has the area 10 square centimeter. 5 2s are 10 square centimeter. And let's check the equal rectangles and its area. What is the area of this one? Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, half and half 5 square centimeter. So we are using two straight line and we made one rectangle and two equal triangles. Okay. On page number 45, puzzle with 5 squares. Now measure the sides of a small square on the square paper on page number 45. Make as many shapes as possible using 5 such squares. 3 are drawn for you. Okay, 3 shapes are drawn with the using 5 squares. Okay, let's see 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now we have to use 5 squares. Now how many shapes we can draw? Let's start. Okay, we will start from here. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. We can make horizontal, vertical, so many shapes we can make. Okay, once again we can draw 1 2 3. We'll start from here. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, here also we can make 1 2 3. We'll start from here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we can make so many shapes, but we'll make few shapes only. I have drawn few shapes here. You also can draw different shapes yourself. Now how many shapes I have drawn? I have drawn 15 shapes. Okay, you can draw more shapes also. Okay, now see the question A. How many different shapes can you draw? We can draw so many shapes we can draw. Here we draw 15. आप जितने भी ड्रॉ करते हो 15 ड्रॉ करते हो तो 15 लिखो, 14 करते हो तो 14 लिखो, 10 करते हो तो 10 लिखो. ओके, That depends on you. Now B, which shape has the longest perimeter and how much? Now for perimeter, what we will see? We will find the sum of the side. Okay, so let's start from number 1. To perimeter, we will count all the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, 12 centimeter. Check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This one's perimeter 10. Okay. So, you can see, you can notice here the perimeter of two figure number 2, number 8 and number 9 is 10 centimeter, except all has the perimeter is 12 centimeter. So shortest, who has the longest perimeter? Which shape has the longest perimeter? So except 2, 8 and 9, all shape has longest perimeter. And how much? It is 12 centimeter. 1 number, 3 number, 6 number, 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All has 12 centimeter perimeter. Only figure 2, figure 8 and figure 9 has 10 centimeter perimeter. Okay. Now which shape has the shortest perimeter? Shortest perimeter कौन से shape को है? Figure 2, figure 8 and figure 9. And how much? It is 10 centimeter only. And what is the area of the shape? What is the area? सबका area same है. We have to use 5 such square. So in all shape we use only 5 square. So area of all the figure, all the shape has 5 square centimeter. That is very simple. So students, you can draw and you can do these activities in your textbook. If you want to do in the notebook, then also no problem. Better you can do in your textbook only. Thank you children. Keep on learning.